how to activate Marketplace on new Facebook account. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen and it will navigate to the menu. So what happens if you don't see Marketplace option often on your home page, then you'll have to go to the menu shortcuts. In here you can easily find the Marketplace option available there. And if you still don't see the Marketplace option available here, then you will have to upgrade your Facebook account. Now in order to do that, go to the App Store. And now inside App Store, tap on the search address bar and search for Facebook. And tap on the Facebook, and if there is an update option available, then tap on the update and update your Facebook app. So by updating it to the new version, you can easily find the Marketplace option available on your Facebook and you can activate it easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.